Now just we'll start with the project management. Uh, a super admin or an administrator will create all the projects and that will be assigned to the particular. This can be given access to the managers or whoever it is. So all this menu can be built on the role-based menu. Okay. When you click on this, there's a project manager where you create and you manage your projects. The issue tracker, which we have not, which where you look into your issues which are there in the organized project. Either it can be a task or anything. Time management to fill the timesheets and everything, and the leaves, which it's normal leaves can be done. When you click on a project management, it gives you a list of projects and who is the lead for that project. So it will give a list. Here you can add a new project, project name, project key. Uh, you can create the project, any project, and run it. Specify the key, which will be unique across your account, where you can track it how you want to do that. And who is the project anchor? Maybe lead, maybe. Okay, project will be created, and then you can track it. Okay, when I click on this, it will give you all the management. So you can add the components, maybe components nothing but modules. uh, I've not given any description yet, but description will be given here. This is like you add a component, maybe uh, if you're doing any project, so say maybe user management, you create it. If you want, you can edit that. I can make it active or something like that. You can just create the components and add a project members who will be in the project. Just add, this will be added there. Project lead, you can't change it, so can we change it outside there from here? So it will be there. And this is a notification configuration where when you manage your project, so an issue is created, to whom you want to send a notification. It's a project lead, reporter, current assignee, and all. So based on this, email communication will be going. So currently it is not implemented yet, but there we captured all the configurations. So whenever there's a issue created, updated, assigned, updated with the status, closed, commented, all this will be event which will be sent back to the based on this configuration. I can save it. Maybe some issue. I can resolve it later. So that's how a project management will be managed. I'll go add project members, whoever it is. So I can edit this project. Here I can change the anchor. So applicant tracking system where this is my all, it's my members. I've added this how it is there. Okay, this is how task count is like task created for everything where that I'll give it that. But where this is how project will be managed. Okay, so now this is administration. You create and everything. Okay, now if you go to this project management where you manage all your tasks and everything, so either this can be given only to the manager where he creates only the tasks. He can't assign the people or he can't create a components and everything. That can be given to the super admin for the security reasons. This can be given to the manager. Click on project management. This all list gives me which are associated with me. So I click on this. Sorry, it is in a debug mode. Okay, just I'll take out that. So these are all tasks we created. Okay, these are all modules, components you can call it, where you can create. By default, all tasks will be just close this. All Whenever you create a things all goes to the backlog. From there, you manage to wherever you want to move it. Okay, so this you can create a new one. Create the project. Which project by default will be selected? What is your task? It's a burger task. Add your summary, whatever you want to add a summary, and set the priorities, whatever the priorities you want, and then the components you can associate that with a component. Assign it's not mandatory, but yeah, you can do an assign you who you want to assign it, and there's a description where you give a description for your thing. If you want to attach, you can attach, and you can associate with any sprint. If it is not, it will go to the backlog. So let's create it. So see if demo task. See component is general. So you're not given any assignee. Just demo task. Just let us whatever it is. Okay, just I can touch it. Okay, I can select the project sprint, whichever the project sprint, but I don't select because I want to go with the backlog. I want to move everything to the backlog, then later I'll associate. If it is related to any parent task, I can set it the parent task. You can type in, you will get it, the all operation task, and give estimates. All in hours currently. So save it. Task is created. This is how it will be displayed here. You want to view it, just click on this. This will get a view. Okay. uh, Tasks and details and everything. Description. There's no attachment. I think something went wrong. So attachments is not saving. I'll check into that. So this is how it will be there. If you want to do, you can do it. Edit the task. If you want to change it. Okay. And I can assign this task to someone. I will select the assignee who is the assignee to that, or I can delete it, or I can change the status to do to in progress done, something like that. Okay, this is backlog. So I just close to hide it. Now I can create a snow from backlog. Mostly we will be creating a sprints. Okay, so I can create a sprint. I can give a sprint name and start it and end date. Okay, so that will be displayed here like this. Now I can move it. Okay, I can move from here to here. Sorry. Okay, recording issue. Just I'll move here. So I can move like that. So this will be updated. I can move this to another sprint. Done. Or I can right click this and assign to or move a sprint or remove from sprint. If I remove from sprint, it will goes to the backlog. Automatically it will display here. If I delete from here, if I move to sprint, if I select sprint, this will be there. So this is how you manage all the sprints and everything. Assign the task and that. Now, so, so I'll start with another recording. This is a trial version which I can record only for 5 minutes. This is how you manage your tasks.